Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to replace spark plugs on a Subaru Legacy. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, extensions, a spark plug socket, and a torque wrench. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you begin to avoid burns. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before starting any automotive work. Next, locate the ignition coils on top of the engine. Carefully disconnect their electrical connectors, then remove the mounting bolts holding each coil pack in place. Gently pull out the ignition coils and set them aside. Now, using your spark plug socket and extension, carefully loosen and remove the old spark plugs from their cylinders. Before installing the new spark plugs, apply a small amount of anti-seize compound to the threads. This helps prevent them from seizing in the cylinder head. Hand thread each new spark plug into its cylinder to avoid cross-threading. Once seated, use your torque wrench to tighten them to the manufacturer's specified foot-pounds, ensuring a proper seal. Finally, carefully reinstall the ignition coils over the new spark plugs and secure them with their mounting bolts. Reconnect all electrical connectors to the coils. Once everything is back in place, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine to ensure everything is running smoothly. Remember to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.